Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to limit your active now to only your followers on Instagram. So so if you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So the very first thing you need to do is to open up your Instagram app. So I'm going to click on here. So after you open up your Instagram app, next thing you need to do is to simply click on here, your profile icon. And the next thing you need to do is to click on this three slider from the top. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down. And then you have to navigate to messages and story replies. And the next thing you need to do is to click on show activity status. And the next thing you need to do is to switch from public to account you follow or have message. So click on here. So by doing this, only people that follow you or the account you have been sending message for will know each time you are active on Instagram. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to limit your active now to your followers on Instagram without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.